Hello everyone! If you ever needed to convert the frame rate of a video, you might know that the Twixtor plugin is the best way to do that in good quality. So basically what you have to do in After Effects is the following. You just drop the footage into the project, you make a new composition out of this footage, you set the composition's frame rate to that you are going to convert to. Say if my original file is 2997 and I want to down convert it to 24p, I choose that. Then I have to find the Twixtor effect and apply it to the footage. Then I have to turn the GPU on, otherwise the rendering will be very slow. Then I have to make sure that the input frame rate is equal to the frame rate of my original file. And then I have to add this composition to the render queue. That's it. But what if you have hundreds of these files in your project? Thinking about buying rope and soap? No, it's not the time, because life's easy, life's good. I have created a little script that helps the situation. This is how it looks now. Just let's start with a fresh project. Now we drop all of the files into the project, make sure it's all selected. Then we go to File, Scripts, and if the script is not installed into your scripts folder, then you click Run Script File and choose whatever folder where your script is stored. But if you plan to use it on a regular basis, I suggest you go in here. You should go to C, Program Files, Adobe After Effects CC, or whatever version you have, Support Files, Scripts. This is the folder, and you should drop the script file into this folder, restart After Effects, and it will appear down here in Script submenu. So once again, we drop all the footage into the project, make sure it's all selected, then go to the scripts and run Twixtor batch frame rate conversion script. First, the script asks you for the destination folder where your converted files will be placed in. Choose whatever you like. Then you have to choose the source frame rate, the actual frame rate of the files, and they all must be of the same frame rate. And you have to choose the target frame rate. And down here is the encoding preset. So I choose my trusty Cineform, my custom one. Then you click OK, and that's it. What it does, it actually takes every single file in your selection. It creates a composition with this file inside. It sets the comp frame rate to the target frame rate you selected. It adds Twixtor plugin to the file, enables the GPU if you use the version 6 of Twixtor. Otherwise, the rendering will be very slow. It makes sure that the input frame rate is equal to the source frame rate you selected in the script. And it adds all of the newly created compositions to the render queue. And all you have to do now is press render. That's it. There we go. Okay, before we quit, just a few more comments. Let's make a new project once again. Let's drop in all of the footage. Let's run the script. Once again, select whatever folder we like. So here in render template section, you might see those hidden X factor, whatever presets. For some reason, they are not seen to the user if you use the After Effects interface normally, but they are available to the scripts. Basically, just ignore these presets. They do nothing. These are just PNG sequences, and you basically should avoid any sequences with that script, like TIFF or PNG or whatever, because if you have hundreds of files in your project, they all will be converted into one folder, and that will definitely turn your life into a mess for a while. You don't want that, so you'd rather stick with your trusty AVI or some normal movie presets like lossless or I usually use Cineform custom preset. And if you want some custom frame rates that are not available in this list, I've added just the most common ones. You have to modify the script. You have to, let's just quit this. You have to go to the script folder, open the file, and here is right on top, there is an array of all the frame rates. These are just numbers separated by comma, so if you want to add like 120, just insert that, or like 48, just type it in, save the file, and run the script again, and here they are, your custom frame rates. So that's all, guys. I hope that this was helpful for you. The download link is in the description of this video down below. Happy converting!